Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I made vegetables we call chihuahua and chimpapilla. So I mixed the two vegetables together, and this is my lunch, guys. So if you want to see how I cook this, kindly watch the video till the end. So I have my vegetable here. So as you can see, this is what we call chimpapilla, and then chihuahua. So I'm mixing these two vegetables. So I've pre-washed them. What I'm just going to do is to chop and then put in a pot. Then I have tomato and onion, groundnuts, and then I've got salt here. So these groundnuts I'm going to make powder, then add to the vegetables once they are cooked. So now I'm going to add salt to the bottom of the pot. Then have my vegetable which I've chopped up, add it to the pot. Okay, and then add water. Cover with the lid and bring to boil. So I've just added groundnuts to my vegetable, guys. Now it's simmering. I've added onion, tomato as well. So once my vegetable is ready, I'm going to have it with shimmer. So my vegetable is ready, guys, as you can see. So I'm just waiting for it to cool down. It's normally tasty when it is cold. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye.